I suffered some severe hearing loss about 15 years ago, and then I really hadn't considered using hearing aids.
I think my problem is typically age-related and is in cafe and restaurant. I have the problem of talking to people or listening to people or hearing people sitting right in front of me.
If we're together, the whole family, I find it difficult to hear what one or two people specifically are saying.
I have been wearing hearing aids for about 2.5 years. In my day-to-day life, situations like cafes, environment with a lot of people, in my job when I'm in groups, it's challenging.
With the hearing aids in, there's definitely a marked improvement.
Even though we have quite a lot of noise at the table, around the table with music, I could clearly hear the persons when I was talking to them.
I could actually, hear the person sitting on the ear that I have the worst hearing in, and conversation was pretty easy.
And there's a very big difference. First of all, my voice isn't as metallic.
The sort of atmospheric noise and the white noise of the background was less intrusive and a little bit lower than it might normally be.
It's very natural. When I got them on, I don't feel them anymore. It was really a big difference.
You kind of almost forget that you're wearing them.